So let's get the link for this guy. Oh, okay. Is my microphone on? My stream looks like it's stuck. What? Alrighty. Let's get the link. What do I need to do here? Man, why do people have streaks on Discord? You know, all the shitty features that all other social medias got are now on Discord for some whatever reason. Okay. It's quite funny that the things that no one gives a damn, it's what they decide to add. It's so funny that the people that tell me they don't have time to learn how to code have these long gaming streaks. Ay. We're doomed. Okay, let's focus on this guy. Script object, yeah. So I had this idea, right? So I can actually hook some of these functions. But yeah, maybe not. It's not a good idea. Script object. Does it have a constructor? Because for script object instance, I did not do the constructor as far as I know. Or did I? Oh, I did, yeah. Wait. Oh, yeah. How can I replace it, though? I just thought about it. So the way script object is used, it was inlined in some places, which makes it a little trickier. Now that I think about it. So there's is there a constructor? No, of course there. It's add instance, right? Yeah, it's right here. Okay. You know, talking about this thing over here. Add instance, yeah, this is the one that you see. So there's a couple calls, right? Which makes it hard to be patched out. Create auto instance. Yeah, seems to be somewhat in line here. Signal add callback. Yeah, it's a little annoying. Okay, let me create an issue on GitHub as patching scripts. The constructor was in line in a couple of places, so it will require extra care. Yeah, it's it's not just patching a function, sadly. Yeah, but we know the size, 18. Yeah, okay, that's good. I can add it here to script object instance size 1. Let's open this guy. It's getting so cold nowadays that I was running today, and it's really annoying the fact that I need to slow down now. Okay, let's move the code stuff here and think about the function that I'm gonna do. Let's start simple, right? So where is this one used? Ah, fuck. In add instance. Literally down there. Yeah, looks like it's this one, script object add. So do I have a script object class here? Script? I don't. My god. So that it's std call. What? No, 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 no. There's something very bizarre about this. Yeah. Hmm. So here we just instantiate a script object instance, right? That's known. Uh, trying to understand what the heck is this meant to be. It is a little weird. Okay, let's just implement it and then think about it. Huh. Okay, simple. So it's below dump threads. Whatever, I'll put it here. Yeah, this looks fine. There it is, underscore add. Can they just refer to instance like that? I didn't know. Apparently it is valid. I'm actually surprised. This is one of the things about C++. Oh yeah, and you know it kind of makes sense, but in the same time, it's a little weird. Ay, ay, ay. So, okay, I guess there's something weird about this because it should be void. Okay. Okay, let's fix this, right? This call is a script object and this is a script object instance. It looks similar, but not. Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait, 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 wait. What the fuck? What the fuck? Did I just. What the heck? Ugh. Oh my god. Ugh. This is. I don't know. Speechless. Uh. Okay, let's look at the code. Name my buff. So these look like, you know, extra parameters, you know, like being used without. I'm so confused. Is it because there's an extra inline going on that I'm kind of missing? Okay, instances. Is this the proper function though? Just need to make sure that I'm looking at the correct place, right? I'm just, wait, it's underscore add that I did. Okay, there's no underscore. Kind of strange though. Mm-hmm. Okay. Does look like it's the correct place. Bro, what the fuck? Okay. Mm. What is going on here? Why are these two so different? So, is a script object? Where are these things coming from though? This V42. This. Okay. Whatever, V7. Yeah, that's right. Makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, okay. It looks like some... Let's get in the first element over here. Maybe I should look at the add instance code. That looks fine. We are calling this ads. So what's the point of doing this? I've seen this somewhere. I remember. Where is it coming from though? Maybe. Okay, maybe I can make use of this, right? Script object, this plus to C. Yeah, this is the weird part. That it doesn't look like that though. to see. Am I missing something about this? Has threads. Okay, I can maybe do this. Fake hero, fake hero. Okay, this is the link script. Oh, there's link. There's something weird going with that. This is the script. Yeah, that's fine. And this the has threads. Yeah. Script object. Yeah, nice. So how does the code look like for has threads? Subject list constitutor. Okay. Alrighty-o. Hmm. Is that so? So it might be true though. This guy. Huh. Maybe I did miss something. This guy. Maybe. Maybe. Who knows? That's cute. Oh yeah, I forgot to export the other one. My bad. Guess it's this one, if not. Fuck, I never know which one is which, whatever. I think I need to be careful with what I export if it doesn't have a body. Nice. How similar do these look like? Very, very similar, I gotta say. So similar that I gotta say it's the same function. But who knows? There's one. Hmm. The fuck is going on? What the? Okay. What the fuck? Man. Oh god. Uh, I'm speechless. Uh, I am script object instance, so void script. What the fuck, man? Uh, some I'm I don't even know what to say at this point. Basically has threads. It's doing something weird here. The hell cares, right? Yeah, okay. Whatever. Um, Script object has threads. And yeah, okay. It looks good so far. Instances. So even though this is fine, I still gotta understand to see. So validate script object instances. Let's put 0 for now. Script managers. Man, all of them have similar names. It's making it's so annoying. Okay, to work with friend. Just build just fine. Device setup. I don't know what Windows wants to say with device setup. Why is this taking so long? Yeah, to see. This is good. Alrighty. So has threads. Okay, matching. Okay, that's good. AM script object. Alrighty-o. That was an interesting one. So I can start adding instances. There's a lot of stuff going on with script object. Okay. Alrighty-o. Oh shit, my computer is... Yeah, remind me later, you're almost done setting up your computer. Man, fucking Microsoft. They really want to convince people that the computer is not configured after just installing. Okay, here it is. Script object by declaration. Link, and there's a script manager. That's fine. That's just bouncing pointers around. Oh yeah, I already have link here. Link and script object link. Yep, it looks fine. User purge. No, this is not correct. So link script manager. So void. You fuck off. And let's just do it this way, right? Script object pointer and void pointer. Doesn't really matter because it's just passing the pointer. You see? No, my bad. Yeah, my bad. I forgot that this call here. Nice. Yeah. This looks just fine, I gotta say. Yep. So VM executable. Yeah, another one that was sadly. I don't know the result of this call. Oh wait. Just fix this. This call, yeah. Voila. Yeah. That looks much more friendly. Oh god, man. I gotta be honest. So much. Script manager? No, fuck script manager. All my homies hate script manager. So link. I get the iterator and then just call it like that. Looks fine to me. No, that's the wrong link. It's this link. Link should be... right around here. It looks fine. Okay. I should go to VM executable and do some funny stuff there too. Yeah. Ooh. So underscore link. So it's an internal. Here it's protected. What? Should it be protected? So I guess it's just actually, so yeah, we have my executable to do, and let's just add here the proper code for it. There you go. Type def void fast call link pointer vm executable pointer int const script manager is this 0sm. Okay, this looks fine now. F7. Oh no. Vector undeclared identifier. Oh, that's true. Yeah. And it's just built. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this looks fine. Can patch this function. I go to that address. Yeah. So this is fine. So this is okay matching. Okay, script object link. This looks fine. But it's not 100% fine. So what I want to do here is go to link. Yeah. So iterator it's funcs. Looks like funcs is right behind instance. It's 28, right? Okay. Ah, I failed. I got 20. Oh, that's true. That's true. Yes, that's correct. Uh-huh. Funcs. It's okay. Yeah. Script object. That. Beautiful. Now, what I need to do. It's putting 0 in EDX. That's funny. Uh. Did I forget anything or use script object link? Yeah. Link. Fine. Let's continue. The script object stuff. That's a destructor. Oh, there's some list stuff going on. Fuck. Yeah, I guess this is a script object run. This guy and ignore suspended, I guess. Object run. Yeah, ignore suspended for instance list. Yeah. Yeah. Ignore suspended. That's fine. That's below has threads. Okay. Right over here. And this looks really good, I gotta say. Nice. Exorpt. So, my bad. Okay. Okay. This is fine. So, let's take a look at this silly goose. Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes. And by like that, I mean like this. Oh, I don't know if I can patch this. Because of this. Oh, I wish I could patch this. Yeah. But yeah, it's good to know that it's matching, but I cannot patch it yet. Kind of sad. But at least I know what to do. So to do can only do one VM thread. This structure is done. Script object run. It's not a big difference if you don't want to patch it yet. But yeah, I'm a little sad about that. Okay, matching. Git commit script object run. Yeah. It looks like another dump. Yeah, these are a bunch of destructors. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I know that one. Ooh. And it's a different class. Yeah. Interesting. Shit, I need to charge my fucking phone. Alrighty. So still have a couple things to do. Dear mirror, what should I do? Ah, beautiful. That's exactly. Oh, my bad. Yeah, okay. I know why that's wrong. So between these two, there's a find instance with the const const string. Okay, there's a find instance. Okay, one of them means that the function is a const, and the other means that the reference is const. The const. Find function. Find function. Object find instance. Find instance. Yeah, let's do that one, right? Looks cool. You know, this reverse engineering is less reverse engineering and more just plopping code. I love it. Don't you? So it should be below the link and not the instance. So it's literally here. I have no reason to believe that this function is wrong, but inst get name. What the fuck is inst? Oh, okay. If it's what I'm thinking, then it's fine. So let's also export these guys. I don't give a damn. Okay, export and whatever. Just reaching that point where I just don't really care. Find instance. Oh well. I really like that they reused a lot of code. So fine. So this means that for the longest time we had all of this code available to us and no one gave a shit. I was always telling people that they could use this. No one really cared about it. And yep. Okay, I don't know what was that. But and then I start and I'm happy with it. Sometimes people think that everything that has been that can be invented has already been invented, and then you just need to know a little more just to know that's not true. And yeah, there's something really cool about wanting to make your life better. There's this weird thing about trying to improve the world. Well, people should just try to improve their corner of the world, in my opinion. No need to save everyone. Okay. So link, what is this about? This is a find instance, right? Yeah, it's find instance. Yeah, boy. This is matching. But I need to So they return a script object, right? Instance list script. Yeah, the name just said that. Oh, that's the equals of the name. Cool, I guess. Everything matches, so name. Where the fuck is name? Oh yeah, name is 0. Okay, whatever. Hmm. So this is a string x pointer. Very nice. So yeah, it do be like that sometimes. This one looks approachable. But is it approachable or just lying to me? Jesus. Ah, it's this one. Add thread, script object instance, and integer. I have no idea what the integer is doing there. Something smells like burning. What the fuck? Mm. Yeah. Add thread. Not any of these. Not this. Okay, I need to do it this way. Objects. Oh, here it is. Add a thread to run the given member function on instance. Push implicit this parameter, not necessary for static, but since it's a new thread, it won't hurt anything. Okay. Kind of interesting. And the comments are really great. Okay, I already exported it. Get data stack. Interesting. If this is actual, if this actually matches, I'll be very happy. The fact that I need to do basically 0 changes to the code is really cool. Yeah, looks very similar. But yeah, there's these two guys going on there. Hmm. No, this is not the same function though. What is going on? What the fuck is this going? What is this? What is going on here though? Oh, script object. Yeah, I'm on the wrong add thread, right? Doesn't look like it though. Though. 384. Yeah. Hmm. There's like extra code here though too. The fuck? So no one calls this for real? Game pause. Warning. Pause when lags. Pa, pa, pa. Yo, what the heck? Okay, so we can go through there, right? Through this guy over here. Yeah, this guy. So this guy. Yeah, yeah, okay. Game pause. Okay, that's the game. This is the game pause over here. Okay. And pause. Yeah, so this is game pause. Okay, I keep hitting that key on accident. Okay. Yeah, I'm just identifying more functions. Don't look at me. Stop vibration. Yeah. And it's basically all in one thing. Okay. So wait a moment. Oh, it's literally freaking. It's fucking here. What the heck? I was losing my marbles. My god. Alrighty. I'm a fucking idiot. That's what I learned today. Aw. Look at this. So cute. Yeah. Let's just take a look at the assembly. Yeah, I need to. Maybe I'll do VM thread after, like, I finish script manager. Hello, good luck. I might buy a MacBook M1. Yeah, I was actually thinking about getting a Mac a while ago, but I was undecided between a Mac Mini or an actual laptop. Fuck. But yeah, I've said this a couple times, but I just want a device with a good battery life. And Microsoft and the Snapdragon laptops are shite. Like, the battery life is good, but it's Windows. And on top of that, Microsoft, yeah, Qualcomm is not releasing stuff for Windows, not Windows, for Linux. So I don't know, man. Kind of annoying. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So that's just is that. That's cool. Uh, that's right. Yeah, this is really good to see. Let's take this one out. Yeah, I'll need to do the polymorphic version for sure. So you get this, and I'm gonna get the polymorphic version. Alrighty-o. Oh, cool stuff. Okay, okay, matching script. Instance pointer and okay, this looks cool. So what did I miss then? Right, so where this object add thread. This one. Add instance. Ah, I guess that's where that crazy stuff happens. And it's never used, right? Oh, it is used. What the heck is that one though? With the negative stuff. Oh, I can see it here in the code. Construct and build a new instance of. Okay, I can see it. Okay. It's add instance. But a different add instance. Yeah. Alrighty. Con. What the fuck is con? Con. It's a VM executable. Con thread. Get data. Okay. We just so get data stack. So okay, get data stack is the stack. Incredible names. Yeah. Looks like the offset is C, but I don't know. Yeah. Looks like it's C indeed. Nice. Get funk? What is get funk? Ah, lol. Okay. Let's just copy paste it and try it. Mm-hmm. So 24. Yeah, it's the same. So the same thing is static. Is that oh, it's a VM executable. Static func. Okay. $24. Yeah. Static func at 20. Let's just keep 20 and see it fail. What? Why? There's a key that I don't know what the key I hit. That it will take a while. And 24. It's cool to have a quick iteration process. Yeah. Bam. Good. Okay. I'm happy with this. But now it's time to compare these two ugly functions. They look really good, I gotta say. Yeah, what is this over here, right? It's calling VM thread. Then it's calling set suspended. But why? What's with all of that, right? And it's doing that. Yeah. No. Mm-hmm. So let's see what happened. So VM thread. Great. It's time for me to learn. I don't know why stuff is getting in line, but I'm really liking that code is just getting in line, you know. Oh, look at this, 20. Oh, that's already done. Add instance. Yeah. It's between real shit and awesome shit. So oh, that's the add. Oh, no, okay, never mind. Let's get in the first element. Oh, okay. Oh, fucking heck. Now I know what is that? Can even add the inline here. Okay. Mm. Yeah. Remember them? Oh, yeah. So shit. Let's copy it again. No worries. Until VM thread is done, I cannot add it sadly. Okay, not matching, thread safety, and not const, whatever. Add instance, sure. There's another add instance here, which is bigger, but yeah. Something got in line here. Oh, it's a destructor. Oh, what is this all about, though? Bum, 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 bum. Is CPI. Try to match constructor. Type mismatch. Implicit. Error context inst. Oh. It's suddenly like error context inst. What the fuck is the error context inst? Yeah, fuck. Okay, feels good. So the grind is still not done. Let's pivot to error context then. Okay. What the fuck is ECTX? Okay, whatever. For make a local ECTX in your function to describe. And be careful that it provides. Ah, so you create ECTX that will really. So I can see the yeah. These evil functions. Let's go here. Okay. Mm-hmm. And there might be something around here that I need to look at, which is error context. Concat. Bam. Fuck's sake. Oh my god. Hallelujah. So in main. Yeah, makes sense. So this error context instance. I should just go to that place. Yeah, this guy. Main. Oh. Okay. Okay, whatever. This is error context instance. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's add error context now. So Spidey source error context.h, and then I definitely need error context.cpp. I guess I can just copy all of the rest. Define singleton. Yeah, that's the problem. That is what I need to deal with. So error context declare singleton. Yeah. Yeah, okay. That's fine. So spideytm source error context cpp. Bam. This should just work. Nothing has changed. So source files. Missing. Okay. So std, there you go. Line 67. Anything else? 15 errors. Error context 61. Okay, it's working, kind of. So can I just do this, right? Export. Beautiful. So can also do this with these guys. Nice. So let's just first tackle the constructor slash destructor and then the rest. All right. Wait, what did I close? Oh shit. I don't think I lost anything, right? Hopefully not. Okay, I don't think I lost anything. Still. I don't like when that happens. That's why I have daily backups. Let's go. So error context. Error context. There you go. Yeah, wow. It's the biggest function. Or a lot of nothing, to be honest, but yeah. Result malloc. Yeah. Yeah, they are putting it on the, yeah. Yeah, this looks really good, I gotta say. 200. What is this 200? Yeah, okay. So, contact stack. Oh yeah, so let's just save the workspace and export the makefile. These two things are important. Git status. Yeah, and done. Very nice. So next thing is to check the destructor, which is this guy over here. And it should be this guy over here. Interesting. I forget to... no, I lost that function. No. Fuck. I can just go back. That's not a problem. You. Yeah, okay. So here's this guy. Why is it calling a constructor here? What? It looks wrong. I'll see more of this. String assign as what the fuck? It's the assignment operator. Uh, no. What the fuck? What is this though? What is this guy doing? Why is this so strange? Can I find it? Stack Overflow in So this looks like it's the reserve function, which is fine, but it calls resize 0 reserve. It kind of overall looks like the same, but it's a different word. Ah, here it is. It's this weird thing that's happening here. Okay. Say okay. Not matching. Weird resize implementation. Implementation. Okay. What else do I need now? Yeah, okay. Where did OS developer options? That was done with file, if I'm not mistaken. No, it wasn't. It was with INI parser. Yes, INI parser. So how is a singleton defined? Right? So there's the declare singleton and the define singleton. It's inst, create inst. I don't need to go through this. Error context inst and error context. Yeah. So where is this one located at? This guy. This guy, yes. Yeah. Nice. So, yeah. Instance is not a member of error context. CPP 6. It isn't? That's crazy. I remember it being though. Yeah, okay. Push context. Mm-hmm. Has anyone ever used get context? Because if it's not used, then floating point value expected. Okay. Yeah, right here. Bam. Get context. Bam. Nice. It should just V. Okay, validate size, so it's already validated, sure. Error context, this. Error context. Context stack. Validate error contexts. Context stack 0. Just is? Really? I did not add it to the proper place. So patch, right? Um, yeah, very nice. Now it should just be working. No problem. Why is it taking so long? Oh, yeah. My bad. Now it makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense because it's a singleton. All right, so get context, get stack. Wait a moment, right? Get context, floating point. And what does it look like? Right here, right? Okay, I think I found some stuff. Alrighty-o. Okay, much better. Oh, get context, string x work. It's only used in one place. Okay, let's go. Um, it only happens when there's an error too, so. Yeah, okay, there's something wonky about this. Always the same function? Yeah. It's not re-entrant, so perfect stuff too. What the fuck is this thing over here? Okay. What the fuck? What in the heck? Ah, come on. I recognize this. I recognize this. They did change it. Okay, that's a string, for fuck's sake. So it's basically this. Something like that. Yeah. But I'm not understanding. What's the value? Can I guess the name of this function? Yeah. You. Ah. ECTX detour. Mm-hmm. I'll just start a debugger, fuck it. I'm not going to try to guess this. I need the X window for this. Where are you, the X window? What? Wait. It accidentally... Oh no, it's down there. Oh wow. So, okay, I'm recording this because the keyboard is not working. So let me press, I don't know. I'm pressing the arrows, as you can see, and it's not working. I don't know why this is happening. So apparently if I drag stuff, Okay, the drag doesn't seem to be working. Oh, now it works again. Okay, so I don't know why this happens, but yeah, I just wanted to show the creator. Mm-hmm. It's not string X apparently. How big is this thing though? I don't see any length check here. So this guy. Okay, let me go here. Did I guess the correct size on the first try? That will be hilarious, right? I put it too big, I don't think it will work. Yeah, okay, I just guessed the size. That's how good I am. Okay, beautiful. Error message. Sure. There you go. Hey, this looks now cool. And error message. Much better, I should say. Unresolved external error message. What? Unresolved external symbol? Oh, yeah. Okay, so the problem is that you just need to go here and do it like error context, like so. It needs to be declared. This is why classes are goofy, you know. Security required. What? Microsoft Defender must. Oh, fucking Windows Defender, man. Why, man? I swear to God, man. Windows Defender, it's the second time today that blocks something because they think they need to scan my computer. My God. Yeah. And this looks like to be matching. If I could, I would. Okay. It's really cool to see stuff like this. Alrighty. I can actually patch my first function. So patch push red. Here, error context, get context. That should work. Yes. Okay. Make my life easier. Alrighty. Is this all that I need to do? So git diff. Yeah. Is it saying 8 and then showing that? What fuck is going on? Oh yeah, since it's popping it out. Oh yeah, because it's string X. Okay, so it's an object. It was copied. Okay, makes sense. Ah, okay, now I understand. It's very similar. Fuck, it's getting cold here. ECTX. Yeah, for sure I cannot get it. I need to get this guy. The poly version. Yeah, you go ahead. You get the poly version. With the poly, it's much easier. Yeah. Not here. There's a patch. So it should go down here. Patch ECTX. Alrighty. Maybe I should finish, yeah, in a couple of minutes, yeah. Let's go to the constructor, shall we? Here. That's true, but I think it's the way that I interact with it. Yeah. It's really the same thing. Uh, I don't know if I can replace push context though. Pop context. Wait a moment. I think I can replace push context. I just saw how. So at instance, right? This guy, this guy, this guy. But that's the problem. No. Cannot take address of this member function. What? Yeah, okay, whatever. Should I patch or no? The push context and I don't know if it's used that often though, right? So push context. Terrain push context. Okay. I am a little in doubt whether I should do it or not. So if I patch the CTX, I also need to patch the other things. Yes, the more important question is the pop context. Is it used anywhere? Or it's just, you know, defined? Script object, pop context. Oh. Bro, it's literally in the same function. Literally here. Yeah, if they are doing this here, then there's another one where they are popping. Okay. Popping is fine. Yeah, it's fine. Not sure. Yeah, the add. Okay, the add is the one that generates a function call because it might, yeah. It might actually cause memory allocations and stuff. Okay. That's interesting. So let's just go here. Yeah. So with singleton. So create instance, delete inst. Yeah, when do they call create inst though? It's all in main, right? It's in app, okay. Create inst. Okay. And then of course there's all the stuff. Yeah. Okay. Create inst, create inst. Yeah, that's how it is. So error context CPP. So void static void hook. Okay, and all I need to do is should I just include it or not? I can just copy this. Or actually define it as the proper type. Yeah, this guy. Nice. So what we gotta do is pointer equals new error context. And that's it, as far as I know. And then I can actually hook that shit. Yeah, then I can actually hook this as it should be. Okay. What's the difference between these two? Wait a moment. It's the exact same one. With a bunch of casts, I guess. Ta-da. So this is not really mandatory what I'm doing, but it's just in order to CTX. Okay. So it seems like the error context stuff is done. Let's just run a quick validation before I move. Okay. Copy. No. Copy. Oh yeah. True. Just run with this and see what happens. Just be running. Didn't crash. I guess it crashed. Oh fuck! It stopped. Oh no, it didn't crash. Just a breakpoint. And access violation exception. String X release buffer. What? Shit. Okay. Hmm. Oh, wait. I think I know what's the problem. Patch error context, patch ECTX. No. Okay, actually, this looks fine. I guess that get context. Okay, so what can I patch without causing? Okay, I need to debug this. Okay. Okay, actually I can... This guy, okay. This looks fine. I don't need to hook everything, only the weirdest ones. So let's see whether this works. Yeah, it's working now. Still working. Okay, it's not crashing now. Okay. So this is expected, right? So push context. Okay, so I don't need to hook get context. But I should. Or should I? And if there are other places calling push on that, I'm kind of cooked. That's the problem. Right. Yeah, these all go together. That's the problem. So it's really hard to pinpoint where's the regression. But I think I can find it. Yeah. Did I copy it or not? Okay, I copied it. Let's go. And there you go. Where does it fail though? So it crashes here, right? It crashes on load, which is fine. So EAX, first chance exception. 3 medium buffers. So okay, just go. What the fuck is this thing on the background? Oh, it's Windows Defender. Okay. Let me just manage settings. I'm just gonna disable everything. Automatic temper protection. Yeah, exactly. What I need is temper protection. Fuck's sake. Yoink. Return to copy address. Yoink. This address. Something tells me that this thing over here I have no idea. What? Okay, this guy. Did they go to the same place? Push context. Push back, okay. Hmm. But then it's kind of weird, right? I just ay, 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 ay. I don't know. Interesting. Why is it broken though? No. Okay. Return to that place. This is where it's. Okay. I have everything that I need to know. All right. So this is the function that causes the problem. So it pushes and pops basically immediately. That's Turks. Terrain. Oh, this is the terrain. Okay. Tree. Serial in terrain. Yeah, this is a serial in. And I don't know exactly what it happens. Yeah, it's this one. So yeah, okay. There's a push context and the pop context, which makes sense. Hmm. Oh, fuck this shit. CTX. Isn't this the same? Am I going crazy? Release buffer. Yeah, release buffer. Why is it crashing though? Did it is it not being patched or something stupid like that? Like error context, push context, export error context, push context. Done. I forget something or what? Hmm, that's interesting. That's indeed interesting. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Where is following another dump? Wait a moment. Let me go to string X. Uh-huh. What is this? Fuck. Is it in the constructor though? Mm-hmm. So it was okay, so it does that copy constructor stuff. Yeah, okay. This is the copy constructor version. Okay. This is working as expected. Mm-hmm. Skip the cutscenes. It's very interesting. So this is when the spider is going down, that it just dies. That's fine. That's the push. Uh-oh. What is all of this though? Ah, what is all of that though? Okay, okay. Let me just okay, insert node name. Okay, that's okay. They are inserting. Okay, they are pushing then this in, and the line that is causing problems is this guy over here. So yeah. Push back up. So what I can do, for fuck's sake, CPP's reference. Okay, const string last, and I just need to do context stack back. Why is this happening to me? This is where it will go wrong. Paused. Okay, so menu, okay. What the fuck? Of context. Can I just do both expert and inline? Yeah, okay, I can. Because I'm getting a little too weirded out by this. Hmm. Why is it such a problem though? I'm so fucking confused. Okay. Hmm. You know, if I do this and then I do context pop back, is this, I'm not sure why this doesn't work. At this point, I'm too afraid to ask why. Like, is it that wrong? Or... Okay. Bro, what the fuck? Why is that pop context going wrong, though? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is the regular pop context stuff. It's calling that destructor thing. It's kind of weirding me out, you know? Yeah, I know. Calls that and it, okay. Could it be there's like something weird happening here? Like at this function? I'm not super sure about. Right? So let's try something different. I'll just nope this call and see whether this loads, right? Oh, what the fuck? Still complains. What? Hell no. There's still a problem. So even ignoring that call, there's a problem. What? Okay, let's try. This is weirding the hell out of me. Hmm. Did I mess something up? Uh, right. My. So. Oh yeah. Whatever. Fuck. Okay. Fuck's sake. This guy. This guy. Yeah. Okay. This looks fine though. Mm-hmm. So let's look at the crashing code. Crashing code is this guy. So it does this, which does look correct. Or does it? Hmm. It looks fine though. Mm, like everything here, I don't see the weirdness of calling a destructor there. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's literally what's going on there. Oh, well, nothing forces you to pop the context though, but mm-hmm. So pushback should only be that. Okay. Yeah. Why? How many bytes do I have to fuck around with? Because this doesn't inspire me much confidence, you know? Fucking could it there be a value there being initialized? Not really, because you just push it right here. So what the fuck is going on there? It's kind of it's the confusing part. Okay. Like there are many ways that I can fix this. I just want to not have much work. Yeah, I have more than enough space for a call here. I really don't want to make a call, for fuck's sake. Why? Uh, hmm. Can I find what's the thing that breaks it in another way? I don't know. I have many ideas on how to address this. So get context, pop context. Uh, so hypothetically speaking, if I do this, should it work? It'll be kind of funny if it does work, but I need to remove those stupid breakpoints. Okay, let's see. I doubt it. Something weird is going on. Yeah. Oh wow. It did work. Okay, I need to hook stuff. I need to. What? So it's push context that is breaking things. So push context and pop. Huh. Shit. So if I don't hook push context, things work magically? What the fuck? That's kind of weird, no? I kind of fixed it though. I don't like the way I fixed it. So push context. So this is doing. So by not hooking this function, I made it work? What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Maybe they did touch the definition of functions and whatever. Whatever. Okay, I'm not happy with this. So let's just go back here. Here. Yeah, this guy. My patch. So let's just do a x86 assembler, right? What do I need is a call to a random mass address. Assemble. So it's E8. Okay. So I need the same thing as an E9 jump, but E8 in this case. And yeah, but I fixed it. What the heck? How did that shit fix it? And why doesn't it fail? What? So many questions. That's kind of weird. My patch. Patch push. Patch call. Yeah, something like this. So E8. So test. I need to calculate the difference between this. Also need to take 5 out of it. And then adding call. Okay. Patch call address. Okay. Now I can do pick and pop. Yeah. So error context inst. Okay. Inst size. Patch call address. Yeah. So where should I add it? Here. This guy. Size is not error context. Context tag. Okay, fuck it. Just do this and then I'll do the rest. Copy. Let's see whether this works. Oh, my bad, my bad. Shit. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, whatever. So I need to nope a bunch of stuff. Yeah, okay, that's one of the issues, yeah. No memory. It's one of the things that I forgot. Not mem sets. This is fucking annoying, man. Keep comment get, but keep push. Get no, so get context generates a string. It doesn't do much. That's a problem. Shit. Yeah, okay. Yeah, a mem set is the thing that I need to do. So this guy, yeah, you do you. So now I need to nope memory. So nope memory. And I need to nope everything from here to here. Everything except this guy. Yeah. Let's see. Another big rebuild. Should be easy. Okay. Okay, it's running. It's the push and pop contexts that don't seem to like each other. Okay, I fixed it, as you can see. Fix, comma, 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 comma. So I fixed it by having my own thing there. I don't like it though. Hey yo, what the fuck? Of course it doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. What the heck? Of course it doesn't work. Huh. It works in a slightly different way. What the heck? Of course it doesn't work. Now. Fuck. Now I understand why. Shit. Okay, okay, okay. So I just need to. Do I have pop context here? What? So add ex4. What? Wait, but this is fucking with me. Pop context. Okay. What? That is not what's going on. So it adds 4 to it. Oh no, okay, it definitely is. That's literally what's going on. What am I missing? The code for pop context is slightly different on my PC. So it's this thing over here, as you can see. Which is the base, it's literally what's here, but yeah, add 4. Yeah, just move. It's really the same thing. What the fuck? Maybe I'm too stupid, but isn't this the same code or not? So do you read the +4 thing? Why does this fix it? What the fuck? That's crazy. Now I'm even more confused than ever. Oh wait, it kind of works because push context was commented, right? Oh wait, but it works with just the pick and pop? What? If this fails with my code, I'll be very confused. Yeah, okay. All right. Indeed, there's something wonky going on with the push context. What the fuck? Indeed, it feels on my push on my. I don't know why is it feeling on mine now though. So my push context stack. Okay, push back. That's the weird thing. I'm just calling these vector functions. Huh. It's very interesting. So there's something really wonky with my push context. And I thought it was the pop context. Fucking hell. Now I'm even more. But I know that I can push and pop. It's something deeper. Is it something deeper or not? Huh. I don't know. Yeah. No, I'm a dumbass. So it's push context indeed. Why? I guess it's maybe the allocator shenanigans. And yeah, there's. What the fuck? Caralho. So context stack size get context. Oh wow. Kind of interesting. So maybe. Well, if I can finish it today, I'll just put without the thing, without the push context, and I'll be happy for now. But why is it failing though? Oh shit, I forgot to turn on this guy. First chance exception. Wait, even deeper now. What's up? Wait a moment. Data has been copied. Wait. Can it be even worse than I thought? And it's literally... Yeah. Oh. I get the fucking exception. Oh, wow. So context. Okay, let me just start and run this and be right back. Hey, I had to close the window. It's super cold. All right, so first chance exception. How does this look like? Fin add 64 size. Wait, who the fuck added 64? Size. Oh, it's not the size that I need, it's the count. What I need is the count, I guess. So count, if this even works, right? Because that 64 is pristine. Count, so count, what? C++ reference, save me, please. C++ reference. Size. Size. Return the number of elements. The maximum possible number of elements. What? Reserve storage. Yeah. What? Shit, what? This is even more confusing. I'm getting so confused. What even is going on? So I tested that calling pick, push and pop should work just fine. What 64? That's fine. What is? I just know. Who cares though? Okay, so there's something interesting about this, right? Which is right, if I do this and don't hook these guys, sure, and don't hook these guys, will I also get 64? Because that might be the problem, right? That since I have strings, it might. And it still has 64. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So get context never works though. Is what? I said my brain is melting. So get context over here. It does exactly what it's meant to do, but this basically, you know, there's nothing to copy here. I need to add a null check. But so the constructor will reserve. But why does calling pop on it afterwards fail? I fail to see why. Right? So, fuck, I hit my hand. If I'm a little cheeky, I can just go here and do its pop context. So as a cheeky patch, I can just comment that thing over there and it should work. But that's not what I want to do. Just never pop. Like, what's the problem of never popping, right? I have 128 gigabytes of memory, so. Ooh. The fuck is this? And it fails at a different point. Address. Okay. Another one. Wait a moment. Am I being an idiot? Okay. This does look fine. But why is this weird like this? But fun fact, right? So I can do this. Context stack. Huh. I do it this way, right? If I add a pop for every push, does it count as a fix? It's not perfect, but Jesus Christ. The fuck is going on? Nah, sadly no. But what if I never push, right? What if this is no op? Should be no problem though. Yes, it's because I'm using different versions of the STL. But yeah. Again, another exception. But I didn't even push this time though. Right? So if I do this, shouldn't just it if it magically works, then I'll be confused. I spent almost like an hour trying to debug this shit. Ah, beautiful. Okay. So I get a reproducible thing. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. It's not this guy. The push context though. You know, if I just patch this guy over here and just let it rip, is it that bad? Yeah. Oh, the dress one. Crazy. Not good. I have something completely messing up the stack. So, if I remove this, right? I remove basically everything. And then copy it. Yeah, crashing on quit. Not good, not good. This should just pass here just fine. And it terminated just fine. Okay, there's no goofy thing going on. To be honest, I think the root cause is this guy, this error context guy, that messes it up. It only takes another one to mess up. Okay, let's see if this is enough for me to cause it to crash on quit. So just loading, exit, and yeah, it fails. Okay, this is interesting. Notes. The pop context is fine. That I did validate. So I can do this. I guess something is touching that memory. So let's just see if it crashes again. It doesn't, so we know that okay, pop context is fine. So I guess it's the way that push context works that is fundamentally different. And it's causing a problem because it only takes another interaction with error context to basically destroy everything. Kind of interesting, I gotta say. That, yeah. Quite surprised. I don't know why it reserves 64 from the get-go. ECTX stack size. Yeah, this guy. If I reintroduce these guys, right? Will it be problematic or no? I'm actually dumbfounded by what's going on. So something here is causing something to crash. Or most likely what's going on is memory corruption. But why memory corruption is happening, that is the question that I cannot answer. So ECTX, I guess the thing is fine. Let's see. I'll just play a little bit. Doesn't seem to be failing at all. That's interesting. But if I go here, it just successfully went away. Alrighty. ECTX, where are you? Come here. Hello. And do desk C string. Okay. Alrighty. And let's see it rip. I guess if that code is never hit, at least while I'm doing stuff, of course it's never going to. So it does work. What? That's interesting. Okay, if I do pop back, right? So pop back removes the last element, but do I get the element though? Void removes if empty, the behavior is undefined. And I seriously cannot take this language seriously. Yeah. So this looks fine though. I still don't know why. Okay. So. Okay, this is interesting. Okay. These work fine despite push context and pop context not working for terrain. It really makes me think, what the hell is going on here? Some really weird memory corruption stuff, I guess. But yeah. So happy that this works. So pick and pop. Okay, let's create some work items then. Because this is very bizarre. I can go away, save, you save, you go away. Time to back up the IDVs. So here's open-tobey. So let's create a new item. Okay, new issue. What should I say? Okay. Error context. Yeah, this is one of those things that I really cannot explain. Yeah, okay. I spent like an hour debugging this shit, but will be destroyed and the context. Be careful that you always remove your context. Yes. Um. Yeah, I guess that's it. Not really sure what is causing the problems. Wish I knew. I made a lot of progress, but this error context stuff really mysterious. So you're telling me that this one is fine. This one is fine. But when used in that context, it makes it fail somehow. I don't know. Some weird shenanigans. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna have dinner and relax. I still have no idea why that shit happens. But to me, it seems clear that the thing being passed around is not a string X. But why that object is even able to get there in the first place, that's what's beyond me. Is it, if I call like the empty constructor? I don't know. I need to think about it. I guess there's more in that function that I'm missing. I guess with time I'll just understand. But yeah, maybe error context. Yeah, I'll need to leave that for another day. Let's just save everything. And yeah, I'd like to wish everyone a nice evening. Don't forget to go to my blog. And yeah,